you bald-headed hoes, back at it again with another video. This time is to teach y'all bald-headed hoes how to do Boho knotless braids, because y'all like to be cheap and y'all want to do it at home. So I'm just gonna teach you how to do it because you don't want to pay your hairstylist $300 to $400 for this hairstyle, so you want to do it at home. So you looking at this video because you want to do this on yourself or a friend and practice. Now, before I jump into this video, I do have a question to ask, because lately I've been just thinking, like, have you ever been to a rude hairstylist and got your hair done and she did a good ass job, but she just was rude? My question to you is, would you return back to her or would you go to somebody else? But mind you, she did a good job. She just was rude as shit. Like, some stylists is rude. Like, I remember when I was younger and I went to the hair salon, and when I came in, we all was cheerleaders, so we all was getting the same hairstyle. So when I came in and it was my turn to get my hair did, the hairstylist looked at me like she didn't want to do my hair. Like, I had too much hair. My hair was too big, too thick. Like, she didn't want to deal with my hair. So that made me feel some type of way when I was a kid, because I was like, oh yeah, I would never come back to this lady. And I got in the car like telling my mom, like, she really hurt my feelings because she made me feel some type of way once she saw my hair. Now, I'm not that type of hairstylist, but it is hairstylists out there. When you come in, they give you a whole nother look, and then they up your price because they see your texture of your hair. Then they see how long it is, and they want to charge you more. I'm not that stylist. I'm not. Like, the price is still the same, even though it's going to be a little bit more work, but the price is still the same, because the price is still the same when somebody come in with not that much hair. I'm not going to lower the price because you don't have that much hair. It's still the same price. So my question to y'all is, would you return to a rude hairstylist? And it don't have to be in that kind of scenario. It could be something else. I just know that some hairstylists is rude. And if I was the client, I would not be returning to the hairstylist. And yes, I'm a hairstylist, but I'm not rude. And if I am rude, I do apologize, because I'm very cool. Like, I'm very chill back, laid back. All my clients know that. You don't have to worry about me being rude when you come and sit in my chair. You the one giving me your money. So why would I be rude to somebody that's giving me their hard-earned money, okay? Mind you, I am taking the time to do your hair, but I just don't like that rude stuff. Like, I see hairstylists being rude all the time to their clients, and I just be like, I would never return. Never. I would never come back ever again. But this is the Boho knotless braids, y'all. They coming out so cute. I showed y'all everything I use. My client is doing a photo shoot for her graduation. Her pictures came out bomb. I'd like to show you guys. So this is the outcome of the braids. And when I say they came out so cute, oh my God, like, so full, so nice and neat, and so, like, pretty. Like, if I was going on vacation or if I was doing a photo shoot, I most definitely would do this look, because it's just so freaking cute. These are the outcome of her photo shoot pictures, y'all. And when I say they came out so cute, my client is beautiful, y'all. If y'all interested in getting y'all hair done, book with me today and comment down below.